Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your portfolio still has at least one report that takes 80 to 100 human hours to compile every quarter, and everybody in the room knows exactly which report it is. The irony? 90% of that work isn't analysis. It's copying the same numbers into a slightly different template. You didn't hire asset managers to become spreadsheet operators. You didn't hire engineers to spend their week reconciling exports. You didn't hire analysts to search through PDFs and email threads. Yet every month, every quarter, the same process repeats. SCADA data, inspection reports, maintenance tickets, email conversations, warranty notes, financial summaries, all brought together just to answer one question. What happened and what did it cost? That is exactly the kind of context-heavy, rules-based workflow that ClearSpot agents are built to handle. Most teams attack reporting by adding more dashboards. The problem isn't visibility. The problem is assembly. Instead of 10 people pulling information from 10 different systems, you have one agent that already understands your portfolio. It knows your sites. It knows your asset hierarchy. It knows your naming conventions. And it understands the KPIs that matter to your business. It doesn't just see a hotspot. It sees string 14, inverter 3, block B, a 450-watt module, and the estimated MWH risk associated with that defect. The agent automatically pulls evidence, adds timestamps, calculates financial impact, maps actions taken, and inserts everything directly into the audit structure. In less than 60 seconds, your team receives a complete first draft. They review, they approve, they move on. The real transformation isn't speed. It's consistency. Once agents generate the first pass of every recurring report, nobody wants to go back. 80 to 100 hours of repetitive reporting work becomes a short review cycle. 2 weeks of coordination becomes one focused decision meeting. And something else happens. The reporting logic no longer lives inside one person's spreadsheet. It becomes encoded into the operational process itself. That means every site is measured the same way. Every audit follows the same structure, and every stakeholder sees the same operational story. If you're serious about removing 100-hour reports from your calendar, don't start from a blank page. We've packaged the exact audit structure, reporting workflows, agent prompts, and data integrations we use into a resource called the O&M Automation Pack. It shows exactly what a 60-second agent-generated O&M audit looks like, using the same operational logic discussed in this video, because your team should spend time fixing problems, not formatting reports. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device. Smarter decisions.